Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to show you the procedure that I use to add businesses to the Kidazzler directory. And so hopefully this will help you. A lot of people have questions about this, and so hopefully this will answer some of your questions. Okay, so I'm out of my Kidazzler account, and you can see down here I can add 5 businesses. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on add a business. Now you can see here they have physical, which is basically brick and mortar, and then they have mobile. Now you can also do websites that sell kids stuff as well. So don't just limit yourself just to these two. Okay, so I'm going to work on the physical, and you can see when you see physical, you should see business name, business number, and an address. Okay, if you don't see that, just refresh your browser and it should show up. And then when you do mobile, you should see the business name, number, type of business, email, website. And that would be basically like if this was if I was going to add a website, I would probably use the mobile, especially if they didn't have a physical site. Okay, so since I'm going to use physical, I'm going to switch back. Okay, I can see all the. Okay, then you have the restaurant, or type of business, and then email and website. Now you want to try to always provide an email for the business. If you can't find an email on their website, go out to a Facebook page and go into their about. So I might run into that and I can show you what I do. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm looking for martial arts in Augusta, Georgia. And one thing that people really need to understand is that because there are so many members that have added businesses, a lot of the major cities, have a lot of people focused on the major cities. So I'm only 40 minutes from Atlanta, but I'm not going to waste my time on trying to find businesses in Atlanta because so many other people have done it. What I'm doing is I'm going out to the smaller towns and the suburbs, and I'm looking for businesses for there. Okay, so here's one, and I'm going to click on Grubel's Mixed Martial Arts and see what we get. Okay, so they have a website and they have a phone number, so I'm going to copy and paste this phone number. And I'm going to put the phone number in first, and I'll show you why. Okay, oops, looks like this business is already locked in Kidazzler. Try locking in another one. Okay, so somebody has already focused on Augusta. Okay, and as businesses are added and more people join, it's going to be more challenging to find businesses that haven't been added already. Okay, so that's been added. Alright, so I'm going to go out and look for some more businesses, and when I find one, I will come back. Okay, so here's a Legacy MMA club, and what I'm going to do is go out to their website and make sure that this is for kids. It may not be for kids. Classes, after school classes, okay. Okay, so yeah, here's some, it's for kids. Okay, so I'm going to copy the number, and I'm going to go out to Kidazzler, and I'm going to paste the number in, and it hasn't been taken because I'm not getting that oops. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go back out. I'm going to copy the business, and then I'm going to copy the address. What I do is I just take the whole address Okay, and then I'm just going to cut and paste. Georgia. So Brazelton is it's northeast of Atlanta, so it's considered like a suburb. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the second. Okay, so that's going to be martial arts. Martial. Okay. And then here's the website. So I'm going to go to the contact and see if they have an email. Okay, they don't have an email. Okay, so I'm going to go out to their Facebook page and see if I can find it out there. Now you see they have 3 locations. Okay, so I'm out on Facebook and I just took their business name and I put it up here in the search bar and I found one for Brazelton. And I'm going to go to their About section. Okay, and you can see there's the email right there. So I'm just going to copy this. Go back out to Kidazzler. And then I'm going to scroll up, go back to their home page. Copy their website. Okay, so I got their website, their email, their description, their address, their name, and their business phone number. And I'm going to click on submit. Okay? Really, really simple. Again, don't focus on the major cities. Focus on, the smaller communities, the smaller towns, because people have focused on the larger cities so much. Now, the cool thing is that there are businesses that are going to be opening up all the time. So as you see a new business in your community open up and it's kid-related, write it down. And then the next time, on the 15th of the next month, you can add it. All right? So, when since I added the email to their to that section, Kidazzler is going to send out an email to them introducing Kidazzler to them and letting them know what Kidazzler is about and that they could go out to Kidazzler, open up an account, a free business account, and they can claim their listing and make sure it's correct. Okay, and they can do that for no cost. And then Kidazzler will later, at a later date, they will contact them and offer them paid advertising options on their website. Okay, so it's really simple. You just have to be patient. Don't get discouraged. But don't focus on the larger cities. Focus on the smaller cities. All right, thanks for watching and good luck to you.